Hello everyone. I have got so many questions. Like people get confused what they should say in question. Tell me about yourself in HR interview. So first and foremost thing, do not say something more which is in your resume. For example, you have made 4 resumes, so you will start mentioning about those projects name and what you have done. No, until unless they don't ask you about those projects, do not say in tell me about yourself question. Second thing, always mention something in this question which you have not mentioned in a resume. For example, suppose I have written a paper. It is in under review. So you'll say I have worked on the paper, name as this, idea is this, but till this point it is in under review, hence I have not mentioned about it in my resume. And then always finish that your introduction with a little bit something like your hobby, like in free time I love to do this, or I love to play cricket. I love to. You can put it like that, but try to keep it at one simple sentence, nothing more than that. And do not over mention about your personal life. Like I have done my schooling from here, or my parents are here, my grandparents are there, or something like your hobbies, or you have been leader in so many cultural activities or societies of your college. So do not mention everything in them. So I'll give an example. For example, and this is a structure which you can follow. I'm not saying that this is the only structure, but this is a decent good structure which I have used throughout my interview, and I have learned and updated it. You can also use that. So my name is this. I have done my graduation in this from this college, and I have currently I'm doing this, or currently I'm pursuing this. I am mostly inclined toward this. So in this inclination, you can say something related to the role in which you have applied, and then you can mention about your experience which you have not put in resume. So mostly we don't put some experience in resume which is not from well-known company, like we do sometime teaching in a like coaching, or we work for small shops or something like that. So that is a kind of experience. So you can say it like, yes, I have done real-time customer interaction. I have experienced that through one of my experience. I have worked like this, but there is no formal proof of it which I'm having as of now. Hence, I have not mentioned about this in my resume. Then at last, you can say that I love singing, I love reading in my free time, and yes, this is about me. And always, when you are leaving from interview, make sure that you also greet, like, thank you sir, thank you for your time, I love to this. And always I'll cover this in next video, like what you should what question you should ask mostly. Like mostly in interview they ask questions like, do you have any questions for us? So on your demand, on your request, I will cover those questions also. Good luck.